Welcome, I'm John Subers. Welcome everybody to Stuart F. Meyer Hospice House Golf Tournament. We got a beautiful day, a lot of players, a lot of excitement, fundraising for hospice care right here in Flagler County. Have fun.
It's a beautiful day. The Creek course, we're glad to be here, yes.
We're happy to volunteer for the foundation, a worthwhile cause.
Hi. Hi everybody. Good morning.
Our Chick-fil-A Palm Coast, we are here handing out Chick-fil-A biscuits to all the golf attendees.
All right, there we go. We're having a good time.
Go boys, go! Oh my.
Got punchy going. There you go.
Thank you, Trotter.
Thank you, Trotter. Happy birthday, Trotter.
Caddy is winning.
$100 bill, and it's good for anybody that gets an ace on this hole.
Show him.
We truly love playing with silent.
Oftentimes Scott likes to play with himself.
Says everything. Okay, I'm just saying.
This describes me.
I'm good.
Oh, she's serious. All right, that's enough. Loving you's made a retard out of me.
Turn it again.
There you go.
They have a.
You're under arrest for bank robbery.
I got you.
You are the champion.
We're completely finished, but we love each other.
Money, 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 money.